My students, how are you? Prep 3. Today we'll solve home performance A for week number 1, geometric. First question, find the largest chord. Find the largest chord of circle whose area 16 pi. We know area of the circle equal pi r power 2. Then we can combine between pi r power 2 and the area 16 pi. We can divide it by pi, then the radius power 2 equals 16. Then the radius equals square root of 16 equal 4 centimeter. Then the radius will be 4 centimeter here. Okay, he won't find the largest chord, then we can find the diameter. Diameter, it's meaning the largest chord. We know diameter is the largest chord or line segment passing through the center of the circle. We know any 2 points lies on the circumference circle and join between together, we called it the chord. But the longest chord we called it diameter. Diameter equal twice the radius. Twice by radius 2 times 4 equal 8. In the diameter is the longest chord equal 8 centimeter. Next question. Find the circumference of circle whose area 25 pi. We know area equal pi r power 2. Okay, he give me area was 25 pi. You can divide it by pi. The radius will be square root of 25. It will be 5 centimeter. Then the circumference of circle equal 2 product by r. Pi, right, pi here and radius 5. Product by equal 3.114 product by radius 5. Then 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 3.114. Move the point right hand side by one place. The result will be 31 and 4 tenths centimeter. Circumference of circle. Next question. Chord of 16 centimeter drawn in circle with diameter 20 centimeter. Find the distance between the center and the chord. Look at here a circle like this. He give me the length of, look at here, length of diameter was 20 centimeter. This part will be 10 centimeter and here 10 centimeter. They are equivalent. The diameter was 20 centimeter and the chord was 16 like this. Is the chord like AB is the chord 16 centimeter. We want to find the distance between the chord and the center. This part like MO here is the distance between the chord and the center. How we can find this? We know diameter divided about 2 parts. First part 10 part. We can draw here also O to this point. He give me this information. Chord was 16. You know 16 this 4 part and this 4 part also. This 4 part and this 4 part. And then we can find the distance here. How? By draw this. I will draw this or draw this. It will be rectangle. Okay. This part was 10 centimeter. And the length of the chord was 4. Okay. Okay, I will explain it again. Okay, we have a circle and diameter was 20, then the radius will be 10. He gave me the chord was 16 centimeter. We can draw this line segment from the center to the point. It will be perpendicular. Okay, we want to find this. He gave me this information. The diameter was 20, it's meaning the radius will be 10. It will be 10 centimeter. It's the radius of the circle. And we want to find this part. He give me the chord was 16. Okay, the point which move the center of the circle and perpendicular to the chord will be divided the chord 2 parts. 16 equal 8 and 8. In this part 8 centimeter and the height also 8 centimeter. Then the long distance here L will be square root of 10 power 2 subtract by 8 power 2 equal 36. Square root of 36 equal 6 centimeters. Then the length will be 6 centimeter. Is the distance between the center and the chord. The distance between together it will be 6 centimeter. Okay, understood? Again, we have straight line passing through the center of the circle and perpendicular to the chord. chord was 16 centimeter divided by 2 equal 8 part and 8 part, and the radius was 10. We can find the length here. 10 power 2 subtract 8 power 2 equals 36. Then square root of 36 equals 6 centimeter. Next question. Number 4 is the following figure here. This following figure, we have D bisect AP. Measure of angle A was 50 degree. You want to find the measure of angle AMD. AMD. Okay. You can find this angle by right. 90 subtract sum of two angles 50 and 90, or two angles MA, and we called it complementary angles. Some of them equal 90 degree, such that D is the midpoint of AP and M is the center of the circle M. Then MD will be perpendicular to AP. Then we can find the measure of angle M by right. 90 subtract by 50 equal 40 degree. Next question, number 5. We have circle. Don't find the area of the circle. B was 6 centimeter here, and MD was 4 centimeter. We can find the radius ME from Pythagoras theorem, because the measure of angle D equal 90, such that MD was perpendicular to AB. It was perpendicular, and also M is the center of the circle. Center of a circle. Then D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of circle. D is the midpoint of AB. Okay, D is the midpoint. Then the length of DA will be half of AB. AB was 6, there will be 3 centimeters. Then DA was 3 centimeters. See this part? This 3 centimeter, and he give me MD was 4 centimeter. We can find the length of MA from Pythagoras theorem to find the radius. You know, MA is the radius. Then the radius here from Pythagoras theorem, right? 3 power 2 is 9, 4 power 2 is 16, square root summation will be 5 centimeter. Then the radius will be 5 centimeter. Then we can find the area by R power 2. Right, by product by radius power 2. 5 power 2 is 25. In the area it will be 25 by square centimeter. 25 by square centimeter. You can use calculator to find the answer. Right, 25 times pi. The result will be 78 and a half. Okay, 78 and a half square centimeter. 78 and a half square centimeter. It's week number 1. Okay, about homework in geometry.